The Custos of Westmoreland recently called for increased security measures to stem violent crimes in Negril Westmoreland. But he's also calling for more social programs like the Negril Education Environment Trust, NEET, to help fight crime in the parish. For him, NEET will offer hope to many.
A ray of hope.
They are some of Westmoreland's future men and women, but they're also a part of the Negril Education Environmental Trust NEET program. Today, NEET is sending several of them and their parents to the Epcot Center in the United States.
They'll also be going to Central University in Florida, and what NEET is promoting is for children to aspire to a tertiary level education.
I'm looking forward to learn lots of things from the people there, and I'm also looking forward to learn how they speak proper English.
I'm just looking for new experiences and to gain more knowledge.
Many of the children in the NEET program are from some of Westmoreland's more depressed communities and are directly exposed to crime and violence. But the program is about fighting crime through education, and every participant gets a tablet computer to begin with.
The kids from 5 different schools come here for 8 weeks, where they are trained how to use the tablet, how to deal with anger, how to do homeworks and projects. They get a chance to use trash to make something that can be sold, something that can be used in the home. But not only that, they also get a chance to look at the environmental side, how they can care for the environment.
Since being in the program, Topa's Tyler Tyson has been able to get support for her ambition to become a fashion designer. She makes bags that are sold and the funds used to help other participants in the NEET program. Ms. Tyson also made this dress and also the one her mother is sporting.
The program have helped me in many ways. I have received several machines from this program, and I have received scholarship from this program, so it's a very well-rounded program. I have achieved a lot from this program, and it has benefited me in many different ways.
During her time, Dejane Bremer was one of NEET's top students. She says the program helped her to build her confidence. She's hoping others will have the same experience.
To try their best and learn all they can and help to be outspoken. When the opportunity comes, they can go and try and build their confidence.
The Custos wants NEET to be replicated across the island.
The thing about it is that if one recognizes as trust, Negril Environmental Trust is trying to show us that we can transform the lives of people, how they behave, how they conduct themselves, then that will have a positive impact on Jamaica as a whole.
And to top it off,
this is absolutely a ray of hope. If there's any ray of hope, this is one of them.
I'm Kirk Wright for Ray of Hope.
A ray of hope.